Here is a discrete device for monitoring a computer. It is a stylish pen drive with extraordinary possibilities. It contains software which allows for tracking all of the activity of the user by saving the content typed on the keyboard and regularly capturing screen images. To activate the software, you need to plug the device into a USB port and start the application you will find in the main catalog of the memory. Thanks to the intuitive interface, you'll easily be able to install and configure the program. After installation, the program starts working. On the Monitoring Configuration tab, you can set how to capture screenshots as well as their quality and frequency. After unplugging the device, the program works continuously, invisible to the user and most antivirus software. You can gain access to data by plugging the device again into the USB port. Then, in the control panel of the program, you need to choose the option Transfer Data to Device. All the extracted data is then saved in the folder Monitoring in the device memory. You have access to the folders which correspond to the date and time when data was transferred. Screen captures are saved in JPEG format, and reports about what was typed on the keyboard can be read by your internet browser. If you don't want to monitor the computer anymore, you only need to click Remove Monitoring. After doing this, no more data will be captured and all files are removed from the system. This device is perfect for monitoring workers, wife or husband, or a child's activity on the internet.